Brazil has a complex police system that is divided into several police, each with specific function and jurisdiction, and primary police force of in Brazil are number one, federal police. Federal police is responsible of investigating crimes. Federal crimes include drug trafficking. Civil police function is responsible for investigating non-federal crimes such as homicide, robbery, and sexual offense. Military police function is primarily responsible for maintaining public order and preventing crimes. The comparison of Brazil and has centralized police system under the Philippine National Police, which handles both patrol and investigations. In Brazil, policing is decentralized with the Policia Militar for patrol and the more Policia Civil for investigation. Similar the similarities of Brazil and Philippines. Both countries deal with crimes and corruption, but the Philippines has one national force while Brazil has separated state police force. Um, yes, I like the policing system in Brazil because it is separates duties. The police militar focus on patrol and public order, while the police civil focus on investigation.